with me! Super energetic yarn. Kasi naman, it's Christmas party namin today and magpapasabog tayo dahil hindi pwede na malamangan tayo. Apaka-OA, sobrang OA talaga sa malamangan. Kala mo naman may competition sa life. So, this is my outfit for today. I know to all of you that is watching is dress ito, like super dress talaga. And then, we gonna make it more sustainable, diba? So, I decided to make it as a crop top and as a skirt. So, let's see. So, let's start first with the skirt. Sobrang skirt! Ay, charara! I want you to ruin my life, you to ruin... It's so... And then, this is the top. So, nilagyan lang ni Mama dito ng hook and eye sa gilid para yung zipper kasi sobrang hindi siya mag-fit sa akin kapag hindi nilagyan ng hook eye. So, ayun. So, ito na nga yung finished product ng sustainable dress natin. So, nilagyan ko lang dyan na mga abubot like this one. And then, layered necklace plus the hoop earrings. And nag-contacts na din ako ng kulay gray. Parang Asia's next stop mo. Pakapili! So, for my footwear, I'll be wearing this red, glossy, shiny na binili ko sa TikTok shop. So, yes. Suot na natin! Na natin. Sobrang red. Kasi sabi nila mag-wear ng happy color. So, red is a happy color. Right? Sobrang ganda. At ito yung gagamitin ko for the bag. So, binili ko to sa Parisian. And very affordable lang. Magbubuffet nga pala kami. So, tignan natin kung mag-roast duck ba yung stomach na ito or magkakaroon ng stomach ache later. I want you to ruin my life. Guys, kakain na ako ng bonggang-bongga. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung vlog nung vlog nito. Yung Christmas party vlog.